Journey from a nutsack has got a mustache. It's Germs. I went to see Dishwalla and Everclear live in concert. I'm Germ. And I like it when you live. It's Friday, it's the end of the month, and that means it's time for Unpacking Germ. That's right, it's time for an unpacking, and I, for one, am very excited because you've been following up till now. You'll know that I own like 4 t-shirts all together. So what I went and did was went on the website, germ.tattoo, and ordered some t-shirts. Hooray! I'm so excited to see these. I've been hearing good reviews. This is really legit the first time I'm getting them for myself. This is so cool. Now, I'm going to shift over to the computer view real quick and let my hired voice actor take over for a second. But I do want to point out that my voice actor, my writing staff, and my editing for this episode came from this week's sponsor. That's right, sponsor kitties, Oner, an alternative service to some other services that maybe aren't always within affordability's grasp. That's why Oner, for when Fiverr charges too damn much. And now, once again, we find ourselves on the website, on the computer interface. This is the desktop version of the computer website. It is called www.germ.tech. There, you know what it's called. It doesn't matter. There are things going on here, and there's some pictures. This is a thing. It's going to have t-shirts. Look at these people. Oh, my gosh. Do you think they're really actually that happy? I've never been happy in love. I'm not sure. I just can't trust anyone. Anyway, we can see that the t-shirts can be made in different colors. Look at that. He selected a different color. Oh, my gosh. Now it's blue where before it was black, but then it's going to be green. Maybe he should have picked a red one. I don't know. I don't really care at this point. Oh, look at him go now. He's picking another shirt. Oh my gosh, is this ever actually going to end? Look at that. He chose a new color for the shirt. Isn't it exciting how you can choose different colors from the website here on the page? Germ.tattoo is the name of that. Oh my God, he's getting another shirt. How amazing and incredible. A hooray for him for choosing another shirt. This time, this one he's going to pay even more money, even though it doesn't have arms. Well, wouldn't you know, it's been a few days and hey, my package arrived. This is so cool. I'm so excited. Look, they even put a little thing on it. That's nice. I really don't know how to do this thing, so I'm going to be looking at a lot of stuff. I'm going to mess this up because I'm going to do this live. I've never, but here we go. Let's open the thing. No more fake knife pocket thing. Another. So this is cool. They got them in little independent packagey things on their own. I got myself a little shipping label and all that. And I got some shirts. This is cool. So this is the Bella Plus Canvas. I'm going to start with the light colored shirt. This is Test of Time with the eye crown on it. Look, here we go. Here we go. Oh, that's the shirt right there. That's kind of cool. I'll mess with a little light color or something like that. I really like that. It's a nice soft. It's cool. They got this like, I don't know. That's a long tag, right? 2 of them. I don't know. Those itch your neck sometimes. Let's find out. I'll wear the thing and I'm looking at you, not the screen. Anyway. Next up on it, these are all the Bella Canvas shirts, I'm pretty sure. Next up, we're doing the Clock and Wings. This was cool. Both of these t-shirt designs were actually meant to be tattoo designs for people that didn't come back, so I just repurposed them back out. This is like a charcoal gray. I love wearing this color anyway. That's pretty nice. Test of Time. Wow. I feel so proud. I've never seen these made by somebody else. I was screen printing them myself by hand for a while, but this is kind of fun pulling off of somebody else's. Here comes my newest tank top, because I do like wearing tank tops sometimes, especially in the summer. It gets hot, you know. Sun heat, whatnot. So this is the Hourglass with the wings on a tank top. It's got the same letters as that. I like those letters. I had fun making them. So, yeah, that's me talking about t-shirts and whatnot. That's going to be those. Look forward to seeing me wearing these in future episodes now that I have more than just 4 t-shirts. And I guess what I really need to say is, 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 still got a mustache! Hey everybody, it's your boy Germ here on the set of the music video shoot. Still got a mustache.